Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me NOKIA X10, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Okay, firstly you need to take the cover off if you have. Then take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.